are you ready for the next move from the Federal Reserve? Because today we're going to get the results from the FOMC meeting, and we're either going to see a 75 basis point rate hike, which is also expected from the broader market, or we could expect some hawkish behavior from the Fed and see a full 1% rate hike. But guys, maybe also we're going to get a positive outcome from the FOMC meeting, and we could only see a 50 basis point rate hike or even a pivot from the Fed. We're going to find out exactly what is going to happen from the FOMC meeting in exactly 3 hours. So guys, be prepared for some major volatility in the markets. But guys, we're going to focus on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we're also going to look at the DXY, and we're going to look at some major news. Yes, Elon Musk just bought Twitter, and we're going to find out what is the connection between Twitter and Dogecoin, and would it be a good opportunity to invest into Dogecoin exactly now? We're going to look at the charts and find out exactly that. So guys, if you want to find out more, watch the video until the end, smash up the like button and subscribe, and now let's directly start with today's content. And we're going to start on the daily chart for Bitcoin, and as you guys can see, we pumped all the way to this 100 moving average at round about 21,000 US dollars, and then we saw a major rejection in these areas, and we could also see that it was before some major support and resistance. So guys, we're going to find out what are the scenarios that could happen if we're going to see this positive or the negative outcome from the Federal Reserve. And for that, we're going to go over on the 4-hour chart for Bitcoin. So guys, on the 4-hour chart for Bitcoin, you can see that exactly here, we are going to get the results from the FOMC meeting. And exactly at the moment, we are in this symmetrical triangle. And guys, a symmetrical triangle is a neutral pattern. It can break out towards the upside and towards the downside. But guys, during these major news events, these technical analysis doesn't make any sense, because we could see a major fake out towards the upside or even towards the downside, and then the real breakout after the FOMC meeting and after the results. So guys, this would be the price targets. If we're going to break out from the symmetrical triangle towards the upside, then we could reach a level of 21,600 US dollars, and this would also be the top of this channel, because guys, you can see that on the 4-hour chart, the price of Bitcoin was moving in this channel. We saw this dump, and then we saw this pump towards the upside, and then we consolidated along this bottom trend line, and then we got this major push towards the upside, and then we formed this symmetrical triangle. So guys, maybe we're going to see a fake out towards the downside and come all the way to the bottom of this channel, and that is what I posted yesterday in my Telegram group. And guys, yes, I know I haven't uploaded a video for 1 straight week, but I was busy setting up my new studio in my new house. So guys, now everything is sorted, I got my internet back running, and if you liked it, smash up the like button and subscribe. So guys, maybe we're going to see this massive fake out, and maybe we're going to see that the Federal Reserve will slowly start to pivot, and we will see a lower rate hike, and that would be good for the markets. So we could expect that we're going to pump from these regions. But guys, during this major news events, it is not good to trade any cryptocurrencies or even on the regular forex market, because we could expect some major volatility that is going to occur in exactly 3 hours. So guys, if you want to stay updated what is going to happen and what is going to be the outcome from the FOMC meeting, go down in the video description below and sign up to my free Telegram group where I will keep you updated. So guys, let's go over to the DXY and let's find out what the DXY is doing at the moment. And like I told you in the previous videos, I expected that we are going to see a massive dump from this trend line and the break of this parabolic trend line, which I posted in the beginning of the month, where the price of the DXY was exactly here, guys. And exactly that happened, and we saw this breakout from this parabolic trend line. So guys, what could we expect at the moment? Because you can see that even the DXY is starting to slow down because of this news event. So guys, we could expect that maybe we're going to see the market come back to these regions, and if we're going to get a positive outcome for the crypto markets, then we could expect that the DXY will go down even lower. Because guys, if we're going to see a major rate hike and some hawkish behavior from the Fed, we could expect that the dollar will go up, and that would be good for the dollar and bad for the cryptocurrencies. But if we're going to see a low rate hike or even a pivot from the Fed, we could expect that the dollar is going down and that we're going to see that the crypto market is going to see a major relief pump. And guys, let's go over to Ethereum and let's find out what is Ethereum doing at the moment. And on the daily chart for Ethereum, you can see that we had this pump from the symmetrical triangle and we broke this trend line towards the upside, and at the moment we are exactly in our resistance zone, which now turned into support. And guys, we didn't reach the 200 moving average on the daily chart yet. But guys, could we expect that we're going to stay above the 13 EMA, which would be quite good for Ethereum, and that we could see a higher price movement from these regions? We really have to find out what is going to happen from the Fed. So guys, let's go over to the major news event. Yes guys, Elon Musk bought Twitter and we could see a major pump for Dogecoin, and yesterday Elon Musk even posted this picture. So guys, what does it mean? Are we going to see that Elon Musk will incorporate Dogecoin into Twitter? Because guys, it's obvious. Elon Musk has already incorporated Dogecoin into his company Tesla, because you can buy all kinds of merch with Dogecoin. So are we going to see this connection between Twitter and Dogecoin? Guys, I really do believe this would be a good opportunity, and to only invest a small amount of your portfolio into Dogecoin, because I think it has a high possibility. And guys, you know, Elon Musk is quite mystical with all his posts, and he posted this picture yesterday. So guys, are we going to see this connection between Twitter and Dogecoin? Because we all know that Elon Musk has a high conviction behind Dogecoin, and also Twitter is quite large, guys. It has 250 million users, so this could be a major step for the crypto market. And yes guys, Dogecoin is just a meme coin, but guys, just think about it, what this would mean for the adoption of cryptocurrency if we're going to see a cryptocurrency even like Doge being incorporated in a huge social media platform. This would really be good for the crypto adoption and for the whole crypto market. So guys, is it a good financial advice to invest into Dogecoin because it's a meme coin? Yes guys, I really do believe, but just a small percentage, maybe just 1 or 2% of your whole portfolio. So we're going to go over on the chart of Dogecoin, and we're going to find out where would be a good entry point to buy Dogecoin. Should we wait or should we buy exactly now? So guys, over on the charts of Doge, we could see that exactly here where we saw this massive pump towards the upside, Elon Musk bought Twitter. So guys, we saw this major pump. So from the breakout point all the way to the top, we saw a pump of 169%, which is quite good in a short period of time, guys. Is it a good opportunity to buy exactly here after this massive pump? No guys, it is not a good opportunity, because we must wait until the market either consolidates here over time, or if we're going to see that we're going to see a consolidation over the price. And that means that the price will come down all the way to these levels of maybe the 13 EMA, or we're going to consolidate over time, and that means that the price will consolidate within these ranges, and this would be a good opportunity to buy Doge exactly here if we see that the market is quite stable in these regions, or we could wait until we're going to see a dump to these levels and that we're going to see a consolidation in these areas, and then we could load up on Dogecoin. I already own Dogecoin, but I will definitely buy some more in these areas if we're going to see a firm consolidation in these areas, or a dump and consolidate exactly here. Then I'm going to load up some more Dogecoin. So guys, if you want to trade Dogecoin on the spot market or also on the leverage market, go down in the video description below and sign up with my BitGet link, where you receive a major deposit bonus. And guys, I keep you updated if something is going to happen from the FOMC meeting, and we are going to see each other tomorrow in the next video. So guys, if you like this content, please support my channel by smashing up the like button and subscribing, and we see each other in the next video. Make sure to be for crypto.